So in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about master slides and how you can use them to quickly edit your slide presentations. So to start with master slides, let's go ahead and create a new Google slide presentation. When you create a new presentation, you'll notice that along the right-hand side, it's going to give you some options to select a theme. You can choose a theme and use it as is, or you can edit that theme using some of the master slide features. You don't have to choose anything fancy. You can choose just simple light, which is basically blank, and still use the same techniques that I'm going to show you. However, to make it really stand out, I am going to pick a template. I'm going to choose this one. Alright, so I have my first slide created, and you'll note that as you add in new slides, depending on how you choose to do the layout, the text and the images associated with that type of page are going to be related to the theme that you've chosen. So here you can see that the theme font is still there for the title. Now let's say I wanted to change something about all of the types of slides that have a title here. So I'm going to add in a title so you can see the changes. So right now it's in this particular font, and maybe I want all my titles to be in a different font. To edit the master slide, you go up into Slide and Edit Master. And here's where you're going to get a few different options. First off, at the top of the left-hand side of the screen that comes up, you're going to see Master. If you make changes to this, it will make changes to all different types of layouts. So if I were to change the font here, it's going to apply it to all of these different types of slides. You can see how they're all selected yellow. So I can choose to change that font. Let's make it something else. And you can see that that applied it to all the layouts. However, you do not have to do it this way. You can change only certain layouts. So maybe I wanted the other font to stay on any slide that is a title slide. However, when it came to those title and body slides, that's the one where I wanted to change the font title. So again, if I go in here, now I'm going to change it to a different thing. That will change just the title and body type of slides. You can do this individually for all the different types. It shows you all the types of layouts that you can add in. You may not be using all of them, so you may want to edit just slide type by type based on the ones that are in your presentation. Another cool thing that you can do while you are inside this master slide mode is you can rename layouts. So for example, at the top it says this is a title and body slide. I'm going to rename it to rename. And then I'm going to exit out of my particular master view. So now you can see that I changed this type of slide, this title and body slide, to have the title in the font Comic Sans. Now what's really cool is that if I add in a new slide and I want to change the layout, you will see that the layout that I renamed actually appears as that particular name, the new name. So this is really great if you make a lot of presentations that use the same types of slides. So this is my survey results type of slide that I want to do that I've made, and you can add that in just based on whatever you named it, and that will help you stay consistent with your formatting, which is something that's really key when working in presentations. So that's how to use master slides in Google Slides. Again, you go up to Slide, Edit Master, and you can choose to change all of them, or you can choose to change the master of only one particular type. All you need to do is select that type of slide from the left-hand sidebar. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully that helps you make clean, well-formatted presentations and engages your audiences.